Here's Cheryl. She's opening the gate so we can get into Synergy's lot, and that will be one of our campers over there. Mr. Bones is not too short.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. We're on our way to drop off our load this morning
at Helena, Montana.
Yep,
we just left staying at the Loves, but really wish we would have stayed at the Flying J in Missoula.
It was awesome. They had $1 order of potato wedges.
4 potato wedges
for $1.
For $1. No, you got 4 potato wedges for 25 cents. You get 5 for $1. Potato wedges. That's the breakfast of champions right there. So, and they were really good. And that's a really good truck stop. It was really well equipped with all types of food and truck stop accessories and goodies and everything. And we got a really good discount on our fuel using our ComData card. Jeff was given the great tip by Sean Tevis the other day about, since we're newbies, we didn't know about downloading that ComData fleet tracker app, right?
Yeah, I forgot the exact name of that, but we've got it. Yeah, it'll show you what your price is using your ComData card.
And we were able to score diesel for $2.21 a gallon, right? That's good. Y'all have a great day. Remember to like and subscribe. Please hit that button, share, comment. If you comment, I will respond on everything. I will not leave you out. It may not be all the time because I actually do drive. Jeff isn't real keen on doing the video work.
What are you talking about? I'm keen.
You're keen? You're keen. But you just don't...
I'm wearing keen tennis shoes right now. I'm keen.
He's keen. But I actually do drive, so sometimes there will be long periods of time when I can't respond or can't comment on anything. 'Cause I don't do that. I don't even pick up the phone when I'm driving. So
I don't comment or respond. I normally sleep.
He's good at that.
You're lucky I'm talking to you right now.
All right, check out this scenery. Highway 12 in Montana. It's just another gorgeous ride. We've been on some of this road on our bikes, but not on this section. Highway 12 Montana, if you haven't driven it, it's just stunning from one end to another. Bit of fog or something. Steep grade, 6 miles. Take it nice and slow and easy. When we're on our motorcycles, riding out here in the summertime on these roads, going across the country, there are so many times that I wish that I could just show you what we're seeing on a bike. This is the first time that I've been here in Montana going down these roads here, and I can actually show you how beautiful the ride is actually. Okay, we're in Helena, Montana. We're just about a mile away from the dealership. We pulled over and put the bumper caps back on, and the propane tank cover, and I've got the bills of lading here, and then you get your little packet that's inside the RV when you pick it up. That's got the title to the RV. That'll be inside the door usually of your RV. It's got the keys on the inside to make sure you arrive with all the doors locked at your dealership. And anything that you have opened up, because we put the little bumper caps inside the storage compartment of the RV. And then about a mile or so outside the RV dealership, we pull over and put the propane cover back on, because that will tend to blow off, and the bumper caps. And if your trailer comes with a spare tire cover, you're going to want to take that off and put those things in the storage compartment of the RV, and then that way you'll have it right when you get ready to deliver.
And then just pull over about a half a mile from the RV dealership and put those things back on.
Okay, you're in Montana.
Hey.
You got your hat on.
That's right.
You're fitting right in with these cowboys. We are bandits.
That's right.
Remember, subscribe right now. I know you want to do it. Last Chance Gulch. That's very appropriate. Okay, we've arrived at Helena RV. A frozen lake. We're still traveling Highway 12 towards Townsend, Montana. Hey guys, I just wanted to let you know that the reason I haven't replied to you immediately is because there's no signal out here. None whatsoever out here between Helena, Montana and nowhere, Montana. I'm not sure where we are. We're on Highway 12, traveling back down towards, I think, Townsend, Montana, and it's gorgeous, but we have no signal, so I can't respond. So if you don't get a reply fairly quickly, it's because we have no signal. No signal here.
I like the kind of shaky, bouncy video. It's modern.
Yeah, do you remember what that whole time period was like?
It's like J.J. Abrams.
Yeah, when movies were like this all the time.
It's very hip and modern to have something that's shaky.
Well, they just, I think we could get an Emmy for our shaky movie quality.
Yeah.
So, yeah, maybe we'll just keep the shaky movie quality, because that's real. That's real stuff, you know. That's exactly what you're feeling, what we feel. Well, not really, but that's what. Yeah, wish you had smell-o-vision, because we have a little bit of in Iowa, crossing Nebraska and parts of Wyoming. Kind of smells like a cow farm, if you know what I mean. So, but it's beautiful here.
What does it smell like this morning?
The sun. The sun is blinding.
Remember this morning when we woke up and said it smelled like sun?
That was you. You sure that wasn't you?
Yeah, we were walking around.
I think that might have been your socks.
You thought it smelled like apples or something?
It does. Montana smells like apples and pine trees. Alright, I gotta get the sun out of my eyes, so check it out. Take a look at this. We were driving by. I thought these were real horses. Turns out they're some kind of metal sculpture. Pretty awesome. Well, that's some great artwork there. Cool. The things you see on these back roads of America. Okay, we're gonna pull into the Wheat, Montana Deli and Bakery. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I think I just put on 15 pounds. Got a 2 big cinnamon. We got a sandwich coming up.
Now, we've seen billboards for this place for 100 miles, so we had to stop. And I'm hungry. This looks like a delicious sandwich and a gigantic cinnamon bun, which Cheryl said we're going to take with us, but I think I'm going to eat it here.
Tearing it apart for?
So I can eat it.
You're just gonna tear it all up, huh? In more ways than one. Okay, thanks for joining us on our ride across Montana.
I'm Jeff, or Mr. Dimples.
I'm Cheryl in Tennessee, and this is Mr. Bones. He is wanting you to subscribe because we are the Transport Bandits. Subscribe now. We're getting him to pull his weight since he's just loafing around, sitting up there doing nothing.
Yes.
Subscribe now. Hit that button. Come on, we know you want to. Mr. Bones wants you to, so he doesn't have to wear this silly Post-it note. Maybe we'll make him a Western vest. Or, I don't know. Comment below. What do you think we should do? Should he get a vest? Or a bandana? Or just continue to wear a Post-it note? Alright, so thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for our
about Sturgis and
Sturgis, our second home.
show you guys what it's like when the rally is going on.
Yeah. Show you what it's like when the 500,000 bikers are not in Sturgis.
Right.
So stay tuned for our next videos. They're going to be a lot of fun. Subscribe so you don't miss them. All right, I'm Cheryl.
Jeff.
Transport Bandits
Out.
out.